If you are encountering a verification failed issue on Binance, then here are some steps to troubleshoot and fix it. First of all, double check your documents. Ensure that the documents you are submitting for identity verification meet Binance requirements. Ensure clear, high quality photos of your ID or password, and ensure your name, date of birth, and photo are clearly visible. If submitting a selfie, ensure it is taken under good lighting, showing your face clearly with the ID. Also, ensure that the information you provided during registration, example name, date of birth, matches exactly with your ID. Check the spelling of your name and date of birth. Make sure your ID document is valid and unexpired. After that, a poor camera quality or unstable internet connection can affect the verification process. Ensure your camera is focused and your face and document are clearly visible. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable when uploading the documents. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.